Hey guys, so today we'll be doing gift opening for Nalani. Yay, Pumpkin, look at me. Look at Mommy.
Huh?
Say hi everyone.
Hi, Mommy.
No, hi everyone, Pumpkin. So we're going to be opening Nalani's gifts, and here they are all laid out. And yeah, let's get started. Yeah. Okay, you want that one first? All right, so we're gonna open this one first. All right, so let's see what we have inside. All right. Okay, wow. Look at that, Pumpkin. Look at that. Yeah. You're welcome. You have another one. You're welcome. You're welcome now. Here's another one. Wow, you got 3 of them. Yes, you're welcome. So we're going to put that aside. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Here you go. All right, so next we're going to go to this. Let me see this one. Wow. Look at this, Pumpkin. You get a makeup set. Look at this. It's a makeup set. You see that right here?
Wow.
Yes, wow. Yes, Pumpkin. This is a makeup set. Uh-oh. So we're going to rest it right here. Yes, rest them right there. All right, so let's see this one. Wow. Wow, look at this, Pumpkin. A, B, C. Yes, you get an A, B, C. So amazing. Wow. And a bag. You got a bag.
Wow.
Yes, you got a bag now. Yes, Pumpkin. We're not going to pull it as yet because we have to finish unboxing the gifts now. Alright, so I'm going to pull this one now. Oh, this paper is so shiny. Yes, you're saying your ABC now? Wow. So I'm just rotating the phone. Oh my God, this is Y and Z. A, B, C. Next time, won't you sing? Yeah, good job, my baby. Good job. Yes, I'm just opening this. Uh-oh, what happened? Uh-oh. Here you go, Pumpkin. You're welcome now. Yes, the dog go roof, roof. Alright, so I'm just trying to get this open. Just trying to get it open. Wow. 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 Now this is so beautiful. Oh my goodness. You got a book. Wow. Now this is so beautiful. Look at this. And it's from Maxine and Parissa. Happy 2nd birthday. Enjoy reading. Yes, all right. So this is one book. Wow, this is so beautiful.
Wow.
So we're gonna rest that right here, right over here. And then this is another book. Wow. Pencil skills. Wow, this is beautiful. Wow, this is really good. Look at this. Wow, Nal, I'm going to enjoy this book with you. These books are amazing. Thank you so much. Thank you. All right, so we're going to move on to the other gift. Wow. Now it says wow. Yes, it's so beautiful.
Wow.
Yes, pumpkin. Wow.
Mommy.
Yes, now.
Wow.
Yes, wow. Let's see what this is. Wow, now you got a ball. Now you got a ball. Look. You get a ball. Wow, you get a cooking set. Wow, this is pretty. Wow. You get a cooking set now. This is so nice. And we're moving on to the other gift. Thank you guys so much. Thank you. We appreciate it. And you got a big doll. Yes, and this doll is from Mommy. Mommy got you this big doll. So huge.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh, what happened? Uh-oh, the ball fell. Here you go. You're welcome now. Alright, let's open this gift right here. And it's from Miss Blake. It says happy to you. Yay. Yeah. Wow, you got a big doll. Yay, this is so nice. Another doll. So thank you guys for watching, and we truly appreciate all of NALANI'S gift. Thank you so much. Okay, so this is one of the dolls that I pulled out. And this is the big doll that I pulled out as well. This is the big doll. Look at her heels. Yes. And we have our bag. Yes, it's a unicorn bag. She can just put on. And then we have our little makeup set. So we have our lip gloss here, lipstick, eye palette. Oh my goodness. She got a lot of stuff in this kit. And she has the brushes. And she has two in her hands. And her little bag that comes in it as well. This is super cool, you guys. This is cool. It is so cool. And we have next, we have the last one right here, which is the plate. So it's kitchen. We have the pots and the pans, and we have the stove. Yeah, it's basically everything in here. The strainer where we put the stuff in. Wow. A lot of things in this set. Wow, so we got the plates and everything right here. So cool. So cool. Wow, now you have a lot of toys to play with. And then we have our ABC right here. Yeah, we have our ABC letters. Yes. Uh-oh. Thank you guys for watching. We truly appreciate you guys. I'm gonna let Nal enjoy these gifts right now. Yes. Okay guys, so I just got this additional gift for Nal. Oh, this is so cute. I don't know, I'm so obsessed with these packages. I want to thank you so much. We really appreciate it. So it says, happy birthday, Princess Nal, from Suri and Sanai. Yay, thank you guys so much. Okay, so we're gonna open it now and see what's inside. Wow. Alright. Okay, look at this. It's like a raffle. Let me see. Ooh, it's like a cute little unicorn. Oh wow. Wow, this is so cute. Huh. You got another one. Yes, another teddy. So cute. Look at this unicorn, you guys. Super unicorn teddy. Thank you so much. Really appreciate it. So cute. Thank you. We love it. Yeah.